Children, meet your new nanny, Fraulein Pudding.
Das ist her. Nazis.
Meet the Von Trapp family, Liesel, Friedrich, Louisa, Kurt, Brigitte, Martha, and Gretel.
Damn! Did your wife have a or a cannon?
Their mother is dead.
Oh, my condolences. Shithead!
Learn their names by tomorrow.
Slutbutt, shitsack, scropebutt, lick, fart knocker, ham slam, and mommy killer.
Close enough.
The is with this cheap-ass peeling Scheiße? Captain Von Hyde the silver up his butthole thinks I'm gonna raise his snot-nosed spunk deposits?
Fräulein Pudding, we're scared.
Me too, pussy. Know what I like to do when I'm scared?
Sing?
Yes, sing. Scrote, a word I like to say. Taint, a word I also use. Hairy balls and crusty snatched. All throw in a slinky crease. Damn! Who passed out sheet music? Face, teeth, anger, and jag. Blood, munch, hanging, dangled flag. Drippy, flaming, model slag. And that brings us back to scrote.
Oh, Fraulein Pudding, what is the meaning of this?
Scrote! They're the tiny shriveled robin's eggs hanging under your hairy, uncut Wiener Schnitzel. Sir!
You're fired.
Fine! I don't give a shit. I'm gonna miss those turd pals. Not even little mommy killer. What's the matter? Hitler got your dick?
Actually, I've been drafted. And also, I'm in love with you.
The f***? What about Baroness Big Bushy Bone Camel Toe?
I'm cool.
I do not do sucking shit's ass to do. I do.
There's no time for the encore. The Nazis are here.
Listen, Uncle Wilted Foreskin. I didn't escape no beaver-begging convent. Teach a bunch of repressed Aryan brats how to sing their feelings, marry rich, and rise to the top. Oh, the mother Salzburg music charts to just walk away. Now, let's get together! Our next number's called See You in Hell!